wise one, because of say Lemon no appreciate you and Mary, now you come out, can't do video, give her all sort of gbas, all sort of insult to the extent where we say you call the parents names. But before I go into this matter, make I greet you. I greet you according to your time, wherever you are watching me for. Is your girl Linda Gist TV. For those of you that are just coming across my video for the first time, please do me well by hitting the following button, share this video, and do not forget to drop your comment on the comment section. Thank you, my people. Wise one, I don't know you and Lemon who can't get sense pass, because I see say Lemon not get, and complex you yourself not get sense. For Bible, when Jesus Christ do a lot of good for people, the rest people not come back and appreciate. Not only one person come appreciate God. Come appreciate Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ not come and come talk, come say, come begin they cause them, they cause their parents join them. You came out for that video where you do, you were talking bitterly. You they call your friend Bingo. Not only call him Bingo, you call him one Bingo. One Bingo meaning dog pikin. Bingo mean dog. One Bingo mean dog pikin. Bingo na dog. Now what you call him? Meaning his parents na dog. So Lemon can be dog pikin. You know all this stuff for that one, you call him Pusu. For those of you who don't know Pusu, Pusu na cat. Pusu for Igbo land and for my tribe na cat. Pusu. You not see call only the Pusu, you can't call her one Pusu. Meaning parents na cat. The Lemon can't be cat pikin. Wise one, I don't know. If I say you no get sense too, it go be like say person they carry the talk or person not like you. You talk too much. You talk too much. You say your friend ever come pay you if they talk, he ever come pay you money when you spend for hospital, when you pay for hospital. Ah God, you talk too much. And I believe person like yourself to hold woman for house, it go dey hard. Because you will do more than Lemon. Sure, you will do more than Lemon. You do good for your friend. You dey wait me can't say thank you. You dey wait me can't. I don't understand. I want to ask you one question. What did Lemon do not good though? I fact, it not good. Bam. But I want to ask you a question. Lemon ever do good for you since we 12 now know as a friend. When you take him as a brother, or when you take you as a brother, wanna be friend. Lemon ever do anything for you once? Have you come out to come talk, say, see as he do for you, or see as he do for you? Lemon ever spend him money, 1 naira for you once? When you come out for social media, they drag and say, he ever pay you your money when you spend for hospital. You say, you join the major problem of this marriage, of this problem, of these people crisis. You join, you contributed, you there among where you say he scatter, he break the table leg, he scatter the marriage, because you there among. You talk too much. Even when your friend do hospital bed, you can't join with bloggers. You can't they drag your friend. If you drag and finish for house, you go hospital, go meet her for house, for hospital. When it dey coma, you know whether maybe body thing will not they talk. Maybe we are join not did there in the year because he say no future, but in the year. Imagine you say you cannot go 1 hospital, 2 hospital, 3 hospital, whereas the doctor hospital dey near. What is it can't buy for road for where the Canada they go because now one can hide before I can't see this hospital? Person go say go they implicate itself. Why is why you talk too much? You talk too much, you over talk too much. And when you are talking, you don't know your boundary. You and Lemon is the same kind of person. Now, little different, now you go just be. You and Lemon. Person like you go see do for woman. If you not get quarrel, you go see come out. For social media, can't talk how you see do everything ahead for her. Because if you can come out to talk, your friend will say, hospital be able to give you this and this. It be bingo, it be one bingo, it be pussycat, it be one pussycat, it be ungrateful. Your mouth will just run it. Guy, men don't talk too much. Men, they don't talk too much. They speak with action. But you talk too much. You talk too much. You talk more than a woman. Calling your friend one bingo, calling his parents bingo, calling his parents parents cat. Because one pussy meaning in a